warm welcome to all. Today I'm going to talk on the topic drug abuse. The word drug, when it comes to our mind, it is taken as a negative sense, as it is often misused. The drugs are mainly used for serving a useful purpose. It could bring a considerable change in the living of people. It is a substance that can cause the death of human organism if taken more than the dosage. It causes a change in human physiological and structure like smoking, inhalation, injection, etc. are various mediums that consume drugs. In pharmacy terms, a drug is a chemical substance that is typically non-structure in which, when entering into a living organism, produces biological effect. The other name given to pharmaceutical drugs is medicine or medication. It mainly treats, cures, or prevents a disease present in our body. Pharmaceutical drugs should be used for the limited time, or it may cause severe disorders if taken regularly. The drug is not dangerous. Drug is not a dangerous substance itself, but people misused it in many ways. It is highly dangerous and can cause serious health problems if one takes it on a regular basis. The drug has become a trend in today's world. Today's generation has become obsessed with following whatever is new or trending in the world. Such is the situation in case of drugs. Pharmaceutical drugs are classified into following groups that have the same kind of chemical substance, mechanism of actions, mode of action of the same type of drugs, etc. The anatomical therapeutic chemical classification is the most popularly used drug classification system. It assigns a unique code or the ATC code to each drug. The ATC code is an alphanumeric code. It assigns that specific drug with the ATC system. Another essential classification system that is widely used for drug classification is the biopharmaceuticals classification system. This drug system classifies the drugs according to their solubility and permeability of absorption properties. There are also different kinds of drugs. Among them, physicoactive drugs play an essential role. It consists of chemical substances that are very harmful to the human body. I will say to you the history of drug control. The first major national efforts to control the distribution of narcotic and other dangerous drugs were the efforts of the Chinese in the 19th century. Commerce and opium poppy and coca leaf, cocaine, developed on an organized basis during the 17th. The queen rulers of China attempted to discourage opium, opium importation and use. But the English East Company in India, which maintained an official monopoly over British trade in China, was engaged in the profitable export of opium from India to China. This monopoly of China trade was eventually abolished in 1839 to 1842. Imported and friction increased between the British and Chinese over the importance of opium. Foreign merchants including those from France and the United States, were bringing in ever increasing quantities of opium. Finally, the Qing government required all foreign merchants to surrender their stocks of opium for destruction. The British objected and the Opium War 1839 to 1842 between the Chinese and British followed. The Chinese lost and were forced into a series of treaties with England and other countries that took advantage of the British victory. Following renewed hostilities between the British and Chinese, fighting broke out again, resulting in the Second Opium War from 1856 to 1860. In 1858, the importation of opium into China was legalized by the treaties of Tianjin. An illegal opium trade carried on by smugglers in southern China encouraged gangsters and piracy. And the activity eventually became linked with powerful secret societies in the south of China. Share the facts about drugs to save life is the official theme of World Anti-Drug Day in 2021. The resolution aimed to prevent the spread of fake drug-related information and to encourage the transfer of accurate facts. This year's anti-drug campaign also presents crucial information from the UN Annual Report on Drugs and Related Crimes. It aims to present and implement facts and practical solutions to end the current global drug crisis in order to realize the scientific vision of health for all. Like the past, it's doubtful whether drug use in Kerala is on the rise today. The International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking is observed on 26 June every year with the aim to create awareness about issues related to drugs and strengthening actions and cooperation in order to make the world free of drug abuse. As you know, June 26th on today, this time today. So I think this speech will be so helpful. So thank you and have a good day.